Hey guys, this is Krishna from Digital Content, and today in this video we are going to see how we can increase the quality of the images using Canva free. So let me take you to my screen and we will see how we can do it. Here we go. Okay, now here you can see I'm taking this image that I want to increase the quality of this particular image. If I increase the size of this image, you can see this image is very poor in quality. You can see it is pixelating already. So now we will try to increase the quality of this particular image. Here you can see the the quality of this particular image is very low. Now you can clearly see here. If I increase the size of this again, then you will see it is pixelating already, right? So now I'll just make it to the original size and we will see how we can increase the quality of this particular image. So I'll put this here. I'll just duplicate this image so you will get idea how the quality we are changing. Here you can see the apps section here. You just need to go in the app section and where from here we can select the apps. There are tons of apps available inside the Canva, but we will find the app that we will required and we are currently want to use to enhance the quality of the image. Okay. So first if you select the image, then you can go in the edit section and you will find here image upscaler. If you go here, this is available in the pro version of the Canva, right? So we will not going to look for the pro version, how we can use to increase the quality of the images. Then again is select the image, go to the app section. In the app section you just need to search here pixel enhancer. Okay, now you will find these are the apps that you can try and use, and you can increase the quality of the image by using Canva. So now once you search pixel enhancer, now you need to go to this application. Look the logo of this app and remember it and click on this application. Now you will find this window here. It just allow you to connect this app with your Canva account. Just click on this and so it automatically will connect to your account. Now you can just upload or select an image to enhance its quality. Now here you can see every day you will get 1 credit for to use, or if you can just click on this and select subscribe to this app, then you will get more credits. You can see 150 credits per day you will find, but you can use 1 credit for one image every single day, and you can just select enhance image and automatically it will increase the quality of the image in few seconds. Now here on the screen you can see the original image. If I just go here and you can see this is the enhanced image and this is the original image, this one. And if I just click on this replace, automatically it will apply to this image. Here you can see 0 credits remaining today, refreshes in 24 hours, 23 hours. So tomorrow you will get 1 more credit to use inside the free Canva. Okay, so now I will just replace this image and we will see the quality of the new image and the previous image that I uploaded here. I will increase the size of this image and we'll see the quality is increased or not. If I put this image here and I will increase the image of the original image. Now here you can see the quality of the new image. You can clearly see. Let me just make it to the front. Now you can see the quality here. Okay. See, it is completely changed. Here you can see the quality of this image. If I like, if I do like this, here you can see this is the original image that I uploaded here, and now you can check the quality. Right here you can see the quality is pretty good. So this is how you can use Canva free to increase the quality, but there is limit. Every day you are getting 1 credit, that is enough I think to use in the design, and there are few other alternative apps as well available inside the Canva. So make sure you are using all the alternative apps as well and increase the quality of the image. You don't need to go and find paid tools to increase the quality of the image. So that's it for guys today's video. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Keep creating until next video.